$3,499. With this amount of money, you can buy a second-hand car, or you can take your family for dinner at Nobu, or you can buy 3,499 items from a dollar store, or you can hop on a plane from Denver to London and back, stay in a decent hotel for a week, and attend a weekend concert, all for the price of an Apple Vision Pro. The point I'm trying to make is this expensive. On 5th June 2023, Apple unveiled its highly anticipated and groundbreaking product, the Vision Pro. This remarkable headset has generated an unprecedented level of hype and anticipation, with many industry experts and consumers eagerly awaiting its release. The Vision Pro represents a significant leap forward in the virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) landscape, positioning itself as a game changing device. Its launch has sparked a surge in Apple's stock price, fueled by the belief that this innovative technology has the potential to revolutionize the industry, much like the first iPhone or Mac did in their respective eras. The Vision Pro boasts an impressive array of features that surpass any other VR headset currently available on the market. It promises users the ultimate mixed reality experience, seamlessly blending the real and digital worlds with unrivaled precision and detail. Through the utilization of LiDAR scanning and true depth cameras, the Vision Pro recreates the physical environment, enabling users to engage with a virtual realm that feels astonishingly real. Despite its higher price point, the superior quality and exceptional capabilities of the Vision Pro have captivated and impressed both critics and consumers alike. Apple's Vision Pro has garnered attention and recognition from major companies such as Disney, who perceive it as a platform that can drive virtual reality into the mainstream. This partnership between Apple and Disney reflects a shared belief in the Vision Pro's potential to revolutionize the VR industry. By combining Apple's visionary technology with Disney's immersive storytelling, the two giants aim to create captivating virtual experiences that transcend conventional boundaries and redefine entertainment. While it may seem that Apple's primary objective with the Vision Pro is to popularize virtual reality, their underlying goal goes beyond mere technological advancement. Apple seeks to address a fundamental issue faced by individuals in their daily lives: the lack of fulfillment and satisfaction. Many people experience financial constraints, limited opportunities, and a sense of emptiness. Apple believes that by providing a flawless virtual reality system, they can offer an escape from these challenges and create a new, more fulfilling reality for users. The Vision Pro strives to seamlessly blend the real and digital worlds, leveraging Apple's success in capturing people's attention with devices like iPhones. With its addictive nature and transformative capabilities, the Vision Pro allows users to immerse themselves in a virtual world that feels as tangible and immersive as their physical surroundings. By connecting all aspects of users' lives to the Apple ecosystem, the Vision Pro offers a comprehensive virtual reality experience that aims to enhance and enrich their daily existence. Apple's motivation for developing the Vision Pro stems from a recognition of the growing interest and potential of AR technology. They understand the profound societal and economic impact that merging the digital and real worlds can have. To maintain their position at the forefront of this industry, Apple needed to create a lightweight, powerful, and comfortable headset that could deliver a truly immersive experience. The development process presented significant challenges in terms of hardware design, intuitive user interaction, and seamless integration with Apple's existing ecosystem of devices and services. Nonetheless, through their relentless pursuit of excellence and unwavering commitment to innovation, Apple overcame these obstacles to bring the Vision Pro to life. The release of the Vision Pro marks a pivotal moment in the advancement of augmented reality and sets a new standard for the industry. Experts predict that virtual reality and artificial intelligence will evolve into a trillion-dollar industry in the near future. However, as this technology continues to evolve, concerns emerge regarding its consequences and potential impact on society. The Vision Pro serves as a harbinger of a new era, indicating a collective push by technology companies towards a future where the virtual world seamlessly merges with reality. As we embark on this transformative journey, it becomes imperative to navigate the ethical and societal implications of this technology to ensure its responsible and positive integration into our lives. In conclusion, Apple's Vision Pro represents a bold leap forward in the VR and AR landscape, captivating the world with its unmatched features, quality, and potential impact. By addressing the root issues of fulfillment and satisfaction in people's lives, Apple aims to provide an escape and create a more enriching reality for users. However, it becomes essential to embrace the Vision Pro responsibly, navigating the challenges and harnessing its transformative power for the betterment of society. That's all for this one. I will see you in the next video.